The benefits of essential oils. Cleaning uses. There are probably 100 different things around your house that you can clean with a variety of different essential oils. If you want to learn the specific ones that are good cleaning products, you will learn about them when you watch the next section of this guide. But for now, you should know that many essential oils are great for cleaning things around your house. A lot of them have antibacterial properties that will help your house get clean and make it safe from bad germs so you won't get sick. The best thing about essential oils is they smell good, so not only will your house get clean, it will smell great as well. Relaxation. Another thing that essential oils can help you with is feeling relaxed. If you are feeling stressed, then you can use essential oils to help you get relaxed. In most cases, essential oils will put you in a good feeling mood or a state of mind. Activities such as massaging oils in your skin can easily put you in a much better mood. You can also mix some essential oils into a bath and soak in the water. By doing this, you will feel relaxed almost immediately. Even by smelling some essential oils can put you in a good mood and will make you feel more relaxed. Skin irritations. If you suffer from a skin condition such as acne or rashes, then simply by putting certain essential oils on your skin can clear it up. Even if you have a cut or bruise, essential oils can help it make it heal faster. Dry skin can also be reversed with some essential oils when applied to your skin daily. The same benefits you get from plants in their whole form, you can get with the essential oil version of it. Gaining the same benefits from plants and herbs, not having to worry about them going bad, and paying a fraction of the cost are the reasons why essential oils are so popular. Usually if a plant can help you cure a skin irritation, then most likely you can use the essential oil version of that plant to cure it. In some cases, the essential oil version works even better than the original version of that plant. They deter insects and the like. Bugs and other pests don't like some essential oils and avoid them at all costs. This means that if you have a bug problem, then you can take advantage of using essential oils to help get rid of them completely. Things like flies, mosquitoes, ants, moths, ticks, spiders, and other little insects all can be eliminated in your home if you simply put a few drops of an essential oil where you don't want them to be. You can also mix the essential oil with water and spray the area so it's bug-free. This will leave your house clean, smelling good, and also free of unwanted pests. Cures upset stomach and nausea. If your stomach feels upset and you feel like you're going to get sick, then you can use an array of different kinds of essential oils to help you alleviate the pain or sickness. Whether the nausea is caused by food, alcohol, motion sickness, or stress, essential oils are a great natural solution to helping you feel better within minutes. To get rid of nausea you feel, you can simply smell an essential oil and the sickness will go away within a few minutes, depending on how bad the nausea is, of course. You can even mix the essential oil with salt. Put it into a container and carry it around with you just in case you feel sick. Get rid of unwanted smells. Getting rid of smells around the house can be eliminated by the use of essential oils. Things like bad breath, smelly shoes, pet odors, and just about any other kind of smell that you don't want present in your home can easily be eliminated by the use of a good essential oil. With only a few drops, you can instantly change the way a room smells by using essential oils. This benefit also includes using several essential oils as an alternative to your regular deodorant that you use. Teeth and mouth cures. Some essential oils can also benefit in the teeth and oral department as well. A lot of these oils can help keep your gums healthy, make your teeth strong, cure cold sores, cure flaky lips, and, as you already know, help get rid of bad breath. You usually only need to apply the essential oil to the affected area or rinse your mouth with the oil to gain the benefits from it. You can actually use a lot of essential oils to do the same things as many mouthwashes do, and you can do it really cheap. Insomnia. I know a lot of people who suffer from insomnia. From time to time, I do as well. If you have insomnia, then using essential oils can help you get to sleep faster and for longer periods. Smelling the scent of a lot of the essential oils will have the ability to help you get to sleep.